So, this book is Big Digger. The Big Digger drove onto the building site. Rumble, rumble, it went over the bumpy ground. It was very early in the morning. Good morning, Big Digger. The first job for the Big Digger was to dig up huge hole. Scrap, scrap, scrap. When the claws into the hard earth. The hole go deeper and deeper. You woke me up, Big Digger. The Big Digger carries the earth across the building side. Backward and forward it drove. There's no place no around here. What you working, Big Digger? Trundle, trundle. It went over the lumpy ground. The Big Digger dumped the earth in a heap. Thanks, Big Digger. That's just what I needed. Kerslop on the soil. As it fell onto the ground, the heap grew bigger and bigger. Now the builders could start work. The tired Big Digger took a rest now. Story of Big Digger.